was amazing. We've been with a lot of photographers before, and you
Yes.
by far have the eye that not many people do, and your variety of poses, like
Yes.
knowing what works well for us and just trying a lot of variety. Loved it.
Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. If you're new here, my name is Olga and I'm a photographer located in Sacramento. Today, I want to bring you with me along to do a photo shoot for a magazine. That's gonna be super exciting because those photos are having purpose to be on a cover of magazine and the story inside. Super excited, let's get started. My plan was to use my strobe here. That's usually the best way to do photos.
Yeah.
P10X, the one I set up, and the rule here, we cannot use it. So we have to put it down, but we have another plan. Perfect. And 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and 1, 2, and go. Looking at each other, perfect. Today's location is Filoni Mansion. It's a beautiful area. It's so stunning inside the house. We're gonna do some photos inside the house, and as well we're gonna do some photos outdoors. The area is perfect. So let's do it. Slightly bend. Yes. Here we like. Yes, that's perfect. And 1, 2, and 3. You are leaning here. You put your leg like this. How about one hand is relaxed and one hand open? Perfect. You're good. Oh, that's stunning. You guys so cute together. I can't. A perfect couple here. Photo shoot for a magazine, it's a lot of people involved. It's a teamwork. So first of all, we have a publisher who decides whose story we're gonna tell. We have a manager who help us to arrange everything. Then we have a writer who will write a story that's interesting to read, and me as a photographer to tell the story in the photos. For today's photo shoot, my couple had an idea. They wanted to do a gown and a suit and tuxedo, which I love. So we cannot do just any location. It's perfect to do a classy, beautiful, stunning location. That's why we end up choosing this place. You will need to be one step ahead.
So, yeah,
Little bit more, yes. When photos have a purpose as to being in magazine, it's few things you have to think about. First of all, where it's gonna be. If it will be on a cover, it's have to be vertical format, and you have to think about negative space for this photo. First of all, it's gonna be putting text on top and text on the side. Plus, it have to be more negative space for a bleed area. Bleed area is an area that around of the picture that actually going to be cropped when photo will be printed. And we need to make sure nothing important get cropped. Such a beautiful house. It's stunning here. So today we have all kind of challenges.
Yes.
No lighting, no tripod, shoes. But we're still doing amazing. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna be standing on top and you're gonna spin. 1, 2, and go. Yes. This way, perfect. And you. That's it. Love that. Stunning. Yes. So I will do just individual ones. Sounds good. Perfect. I would like you to be a little bit more farther away. Yes. Here, so we have sun from behind shining as backlight. Okay, and 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Awesome. Wind is not enough. No, it's wind. We always have something. So one more thing to think about when you do your photo shoot is how photos gonna look inside. Some photos will be getting like creative, cut out, designer can play with them, so they can be vertical, horizontal, all the stuff like closer up, farther away. And some photos you need to think about, designer can put on whole spread, like 2 pages gonna be used for this photo. And in this point, you need to think about where text will go. It has to be some negative space, maybe a sky, maybe something blurred out that will be used for text to put over it. If it will be too busy, too many details, text will be hard to be visible, so designer will not be able to use this photo. So think about it, and also don't forget about bleed again, that space that's gonna be cropped out from the photo. Let's see, stand back to me, both of you like this, perfect. Perfect, and Michael, I would like your shoulder tiny bit toward me more too, yes, like that. What's happened? Oh, this is how we do it. Stunning, and look at me, please. Yes. Wow. Love that. Beautiful. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. We had a lot of challenges today. We cannot use tripod, so I had to put my flash on a camera so I can do film live. Another challenge, I was recording this video and my DJI also on tripod, so I had to put it in a bag. So it was in a bag, not actually on a floor. That's how we're going around the rules. Also, it's kind of windy, so hair flying. What challenges? Is shoe, as you saw, is got ripped, so that's one more thing. So we had to continue photo shoot and pretending nothing happened. So on the photos, I think we was able to cut it out. You're gonna be standing in here with one hand in pocket and here, and your Trisha gonna be that. Yes, and look toward me more. Just like that. That's perfect. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. And that's a wrap. We just finished photo shoot. Thank you, guys.
Oh,
Thank you.
Olga.
Thank you,
How was
thank
photo
you.
shoot for you guys?
This was amazing. We've been with a lot of photographers before, and you
Yes.
by far have the eye that not many people do, and your variety of poses, like
Yes.
knowing what works well for us and just trying a lot of variety. Loved it. That
Yeah.
was amazing.
That was it. You know, your direction and ability to see the shots, it goes far beyond anything I even imagined. And then
Yes.
being able to see the previews, like I have no idea where you learned this,
Yes.
but keep on doing it.
Yes. It's like you can tell you're very naturally talented, but
Yeah.
you've also like really honed in on your skills to where you're like on this whole nother level. So
Yeah.
thank you. Amazing.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
It's been
you.
my pleasure working with you.
Likewise.
Thank you. Likewise.
And I'm so excited to see you on the cover.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay!
Thank you, Olga.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very
Olga.
welcome.
Thank you.
Aw.
This was so much fun. You were
It really is.
great at what you do.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm
Yeah.
glad to hear you had some other fun.
Oh yeah, this
Yeah.
was fun. It
And
was.
we had some challenges, but
I know.
that's all.
Well, and that's the thing, and I love that you just go with the flow. Like
Yes.
anything that was thrown at us, you were just like, no worries, we'll do this. No worries, we'll do that. Okay, we'll do this.
Yeah. So your calm, cool collectedness definitely helps with it.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
This was on a whole nother level,
Yeah.
like your ability to direct and guide us on how to pose, and it really made a huge difference because these are poses that we haven't done. Of course, we
Correct.
have some of the things that we naturally do, but like there was so many that were very different, and the backdrop, it just turned out so different than I expected to see. Like we
It's
walk
so
in there and I have an eye for something and you're like, no, over here. And I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. And then all of a sudden you show the preview and it was like, whoa, how
Yeah.
did you even see that?
Yeah. Yeah. It's like for real. You have the
Yeah.
eye. Like usually we end up having to direct.
Usually
it.
we're like helping / correcting and directing.
Yeah.
So this was the opposite where we
it's
just,
like true professional. True
yeah,
professional.
yeah,
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
thank you.
The photo shoot today was so successful, so amazing. I'm very excited to see photos in magazine. So I will show you in a second how it's come out and how it looks like. Thank you so much for being with me in this episode. If you like content like that, please hit a like and subscribe. And I would love to hear what do you think. Please comment below what do you think. If you like, if you don't like, what would you do different? I would love to hear your opinion. And I cannot wait to see you in next one.